Hi, all dairy-free lady here. Today I'm going to show you an easy recipe for these delicious dairy-free peanut butter cookies. All you need is one bowl. We're going to take 1 cup of peanut butter, add it to our bowl, and then we're going to add 1/2 cup of white sugar. We're going to add 1/2 cup of brown sugar packed. Then we're going to add 1 tablespoon of a dairy-free butter alternative. So when I get to this point, I like to just stir these ingredients together really well until they kind of are a creamy consistency. So see, it gets a little creamier as you stir it. So now that I have that nice and mixed together, add 1 egg. Okay, now that I have that nice and incorporated, I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. Stir that really good. So now I'm going to put a little sifter on top of my bowl. So now we're gonna add 3/4 cup of white all-purpose flour, add 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and then I'm going to sift this really well. And now I'm going to stir again. If you're looking for a recipe to do with your child that would be fun and easy, this would be a good recipe to do. So now that we have our dairy-free peanut butter cookie mix ready to go, we're going to start forming our cookies. And I just kind of take a little bit and I form it into a ball. And then I kind of smash it just a little bit, put it down. And you're just going to repeat that process. And depending on how big you want your cookies, if you want them bigger, you know, you can make them bigger. It's just up to you. I usually make them about $1/2 size, I guess. Maybe a little bit bigger. And this process just takes a little bit. And while you're doing this, you can have your oven preheating to 350. Okay, so now you're going to take a fork, and in each cookie, you're going to go one way and kind of rock the fork, and then go the opposite way and rock the fork, where it makes this crisscross hash pattern. And then once you have all your little crisscross pattern in your cookies, you can take some white sugar, and I just take a little pinch and kind of sprinkle that on there. We're going to place them in a 350-degree oven for about 10 minutes. And here we have our baked dairy-free peanut butter cookies. If you enjoyed this dairy-free recipe, be sure to like and subscribe. And consider leaving me a comment with suggestions of other recipes you would like me to make.